And this is
Ane.
and we're gonna tell you how we make our garlic salmon
Topped with brown sugar butter.
butter.
So first you have to get some salmon. We use 4 pieces of salmon. And then you're gonna get some brown sugar. We use 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce.
And then we also use parsley and garlic. So that's how we made the name parsley and garlic.
Okay, next thing we did, we patted down the salmon until it was dry. Then we put on the soy sauce and the brown sugar on top of it. Oh, we put on butter on top of it, and then we put the brown sugar and the soy sauce.
And then we use sea salt, parsley, and garlic. And we mixed it all together.
And then we put it all on the meat, and we put it all on the salmon, and then we put it in the oven.
And we preheated the oven
To 425.
And it's gonna go in there for 6 to 8 minutes. So we're gonna tell you once it comes out what happened to it. And it's going to look amazing, right, Anae?
Mm-hmm. Okay, bye.
Bye.